Alright, so it's a lot easier to show you what I'm talking about than to ask you about it. So I'm going to show you. FERPA alert. Okay, so this is my Google form. This is what the form looks like. And if we get a pre-filled link, that opens up a new window. We pre-fill the link. Let's say like my kids just they're submitting their work, and we did a Google Meets today. I put in all the information except for the date, and I'll put in my information, student reading, and let's say we did science. Meet. I'm hungry. It's dinner time. 15 minutes on Google Meet. And the description of service provided, worked with student on Google Meet to instruct in science and provide support with activities. Accommodations, oral accommodations were provided. Student response. So if the student completed and submitted, the student %100% accuracy. And down here, I'm not going to put any notes. I can get the link, and then can I just open up the form, click on the student that I provided the services to, and then just click submit every time. Like, let's say there were a couple of them, and I just put in the date and the student, and then just submit. Can I do that?